If a person, by profession, deals in riba, or as it's been now translated, interest, does this mean that their fast would not be accepted?
As far as riba is concerned, riba is a major sin. It's Gunai Kabira. And riba has been mentioned in the Quran in no less than 8 different places. Allah mentions it in Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse number 130. In Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 161. It's mentioned thrice in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse number 275. It's also mentioned in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 276. And also in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse number 278 and 279. And I'll quote that last verse only. I don't intend giving a speech. Allah says in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse number 278 and 279, that give up what remains of your demands of usury. And anyone who does not give up the demands of usury, interest, riba is the Arabic word, if anyone does not give up the demand of interest, then take notice of a war from Allah and His Rasul. If anyone deals in riba, in interest, in usury, Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. It's more serious, it's a bigger sin than having alcohol. It's a bigger sin than taking drugs. Because when you have alcohol, when you take drugs, when you have pork, it's a big sin, but Allah and His Rasul will not wage a war against you. But if you involve yourself in riba, whether take or give, both, when you take interest or give interest, both of them are major sins. So if a person is involving in riba, it will not break the fast per se. Because I've told you things that break the fast. I've already mentioned total 10 things. So this does not come in that, but it's a major sin. A person should abstain throughout his life, especially in the month of Ramadan, which is the month of forgiveness, month of blessing. It will only reduce his reward. What reward he gets for fasting, his fasting will not be nullified, it will not be invalidated, but the reward will be reduced. And as the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, the Sahih Hadith in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 1903, the beloved Prophet said, a person does not leave his false actions and false talks. Allah does not require him to leave his drink and eating. The person who does not abstain from doing wrong things, saying wrong things, haram things, Allah does not require him to leave his eating and drinking. So based on this, it is haram. His reward for the month of fasting will be reduced. It may be nullified also.